In this video, we will be going over how your 48-inch wide ramps are shipped to you and how to quickly assemble them. You will be able to assemble your ramp using the provided tools along with the 2 documents showing what ramp links go where. First step is you take your 1-foot ramp sections. It'll be 2 6-inch links put together and line everything up on its face so it's upside down, and that'll make installing the ramp a lot easier. So first, you'll take your bolt and nut, insert it through your lined up ears of the ramp, and get your nut on, hand tightened on the back side. Next, you will grab your tools to finish it off. Take your hex key and insert it into the bolt on the outside of the ramp. Then, take the bigger side of the box wrench and simply tighten your bolts down. Repeat this process on the rest of the bolts to assemble your ramp.